Coming to my private land.
So here we are today with another vlog. Barbecue in Korfakan side. There's a beach this side, but it's dark now. We're going swimming later on, but we're gonna do barbecue here. It's already set all the things.
But I'm the wave you cannot rule. No rush, no fight, just a sway on my side. Your heartbeat's crashing like a rising tide. You think you're steady, but you're open wide. One sway from me, and there's no place to hide.
Yeah, they will come for the hike only now. In the morning.
Move with me, don't be afraid.
They went to the hotel.
Sway, sway my way. Let my body lead the way. My hips confess what lips don't say. A silent dance that makes you stay. You lose your words, you lose your day. You're tangled up and that's okay. No rush, no fight, just a sway on my side. Your heartbeat's crashing like a rising tide.